Hi there! Welcome back to my chocolate channel. I have something really delicious lined up for you, and it's my salted chocolate tarts. Let's get started by making the dough for the tart. In a bowl, add unsalted butter and sugar and vanilla essence and mix it well. Then let's add our egg yolk and mix it thoroughly, properly and well. Now let's add the flour. You can mix it with a spatula or you can use your fingers, whatever makes you comfortable, to make a really nice dough. I'm going to cover my dough for about 30 minutes to an hour, and I'm going to leave it in the refrigerator to cool down before I start making the tart shells. My dough is nice and cool. I'm going to make 2 sizes of tart shell. The little one I'm going to use about 2.5 inches to 3 inches in diameter. I'm going to make my dough nice and thin and line the mold with my dough. I'm going to do the exact same procedure for the bigger mold. So I'm just going to cut off the excess dough which is popping outside the tart shell. Then I'm going to prick it with a fork so that it doesn't puff up in the oven. Now I'm going to pop it into the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. I'm going to cool my tart shells before I put it into my oven. So my oven has been preheated at about 170 degrees centigrade. I'm going to put my tart shells, which have been cooling in the fridge for about 10 minutes. I'm going to put it into my oven for about 20 minutes. In a saucepan, I'm going to add 125 grams of double cream or whipping cream. So when I see the bubbles on the edge of my saucepan, I'm going to shut off the stove. Now I'm going to add 250 grams of dark chocolate. Our tart shells are cool. Let's start assembling the tarts and the delicious chocolatey silky mixture, and then top it up with a little sprinkle of sea salt. I want my chocolate tarts to set, so you can leave it in the fridge or you can leave it outside, whatever temperature you want to serve. I hope you liked my recipe, and I really look forward for you to follow my channel. Please make sure you share my recipes with all your friends, because that's the whole purpose of me creating all this yummy goodness. Please hit the bell notification, and I look forward to seeing you next time, where you will be hearing from me with lots of new recipes. Stay fit, stay fine, and see you soon.